Hello and welcome back to Krucy does gardening and stuff. Today I'll be doing a review of the AGPtek solar lantern. Um, this lantern I've had for a while. It's not really going to be an unboxing, but I just wanted to use it for a bit before I actually spoke about it. This lantern I've used in some of the bedrooms or some of the other rooms in the house, and it seems to light up the rooms quite well. Here you have the power switch to turn it on. You push it again. It's supposed to do it a bit brighter, which I haven't really noticed much of a difference in the dark rooms. You push again and it shuts it off. How you can charge it up is you basically just plug in the cord here. It comes with this cord, and it comes with this 12 volt adapter that that you plug into the 12 volt of the car. Unfortunately, one thing it did not come with, which I had to buy separately, was this plug, which you basically just plug in the USB into here, and you plug in the wall, and then you would plug it into the lamp. Another way how it can slowly charge, it'll take a while, is it has a solar thing on top, and it has this hand crank that you basically just use it, you spin it to a charge. And you probably saw that with the light here. When you crank it, it lights up. When you have it towards the light, it's probably showing a tiny bit, but not much. It'll light up also. But when you're charging it with the wall socket, this light will be red, or one of the lights will be red. And when it's fully charged, it'll turn from red to a green, showing that it's fully charged. Another cool thing is that if your rechargeable battery is dead and you need to use it still, like right away, you just open the bottom and you can put in 3, I think it's AAA batteries to have it to work. One thing that kind of sucks about it is that with the rechargeable battery, I guess if it's not holding the charge anymore, it would have been nice if there's like an easy access to get to the rechargeable battery. What I'm thinking is, if you need to change the rechargeable battery, is that you probably just take out the 4 screws, and then I would think the bottom would come off, and then you could probably just take out the rechargeable battery. And if there's any battery specialty stores near where you live, you just bring the battery, ask them for a replacement or a best match of what they can get for you. Then you would just reinstall it and close everything up. It comes with a handle, and even to carry it around, and it even has a hook if you want to hang it from something. Just gonna take a quick look at the user manual. I'll try to zoom in a bit. So basically what it comes with is the lamp. Well, what it did come with was the lamp, the cord, and this 12 volt adapter for I guess use inside your car or truck or whichever. So you can basically just plug it in and charge it from your car when it's running. It basically just shows the different features on it, like the USB port. Oh, I'll show you something about the USB port after, which is another cool feature. Well, actually I'll show it now. What you can do is you can take your charging cable for a cell phone. You just plug in the port in the front here, And then you could just take your phone, for example, or you could take a tablet, just plug it in, and it'll start charging your phone or tablet, or if there's another device you need charging. But I'm not sure how much it'll charge up your phone or tablet or other item. But I guess if the battery for this dies out before your tablet or phone or other item is charged up, you can probably just wind it up a bit more to charge up the battery in here, so it'll charge up your device more. So yeah, so getting back to looking at the manual. So it comes with it came with the lamp, the power cord or charging cord, and the car charger adapter. It shows all the different features, like the handle, the solar panel on top, which is here. It's LED bulbs. I guess it's sort of like a protective metal casing on the outside. The on off button, the indicator lights on the bottom. It just doesn't show that on here just doesn't show that it has the hand crank on it. So lighting mode, press the on off button for first, or I guess for the lower lighting setting. Then if you push again, it's the higher lighting setting. You push it a third time, it's basically off again. 5 ways of charging with the USB charger. Yeah, I guess it takes about 7 to 9 hours to fully charge it. When it's charging, it has the red light on. When it's fully charged, it has the green light. Car charger. I guess it's saying up to 8 hours, but I don't think you're going to be driving for 8 hours. So yet again, it's going to have the red light when it's charging and green light when it's fully charged. If you want to use batteries, it's 3 AAAs. Solar panel. I guess when you have full light or like no clouds in the sky, it would take about 6 hours supposedly. And I guess if it's partly cloudy, it'll take about 12 hours to charge it. And if you're using the hand crank, I'm not sure how many times or for how long you have to crank it to charge it up. Runtime. With low lighting, I guess you can have it run for 16 hours, and I guess the light would, I guess it would light up things for about 5 meters going around. And highlighting, it's going to last you about 10 hours, and I guess it'll go out further, I guess about 10 meters out. So here it's saying with the 3 AAA batteries, it'll run up to 3 hours. If you're doing the hand crank for 1 minute, I guess it'll give you 5 to 8 minutes of light. And I guess the 5 to 8 minutes will depend on how fast you're spinning it. If you're cranking it slow, I guess you'll have maybe more like 5 minutes. If you're cranking it fast for the 1 minute, I guess you'll get more like 8 minutes. So basically the first half is English. The second half is in French, I guess because I live in Canada. I read somewhere, yeah, okay. On the first page, it's saying when you first get the lantern to charge it in I guess a wall socket to the house for 9 hours before you use it for the first time. But I guess after that you could charge it for however long it needs to be charged for. So that's basically the review that I have for now for this lantern. I'll try to. I'm not getting paid anything for doing the review of this. I paid for it out of my own pocket. I'll try to I'll try to put a link. I guess further down for I guess Amazon.com and Amazon.ca for if you guys want to purchase this. But even with Amazon, I'm not going to get any. I don't think I'll get any money. I don't have anything set up for making a percentage of the sales or anything. But I'll just put the link in the description downstairs below, just if you guys want to try to find it. So, anyways, thanks again for watching. Have a good day.